Let me quickly explore with you one of my favorite of all. This application, you will actually like it a lot. So this app is called Scribble Diffusion, and what this app actually does is to bring your sketch into reality. And so it simply means that you can actually do a little scribbling and tell the app what you are thinking of, and the app will bring it into reality. The website is called scribblediffusion.com, and this time I need a dog, a dog playing. So let me do so this time I'm going to sketch the dog. Then go. So let's see what this app is going to bring immediately. So this app is very interesting, and definitely I think we can also use it on our phone. um we can also give it a try. The result is coming out. As the result is coming out, so this is what I have. So definitely, if I don't like this, I can actually change this also. So the app is very interesting, and this one brings very interesting picture. Very interesting picture. Let me clear and draw it like a dog. So it's going to bring my drawing into reality. So any position you want the dog, this is definitely going to help you out. So that's the essence of this app, and it's actually looking interesting. A dog playing. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake of the playing, and I've just seen that. Okay, I'm doing two at the same time. As I'm doing that, let me quickly show you the phone version. The phone version, just when you get to your phone, just the website that I said is scribblediffusion.com. So there's a phone version for it. It works very well also on phone. So this is loading right now, and I can also use that opportunity to check my results on. Let's check the result on. Wow. So, as I said, it's the essence of this app is to bring your drawing into reality. So, look at my dog. So, definitely that means you have to make sure that you draw something very a little bit of a little bit accurate. A jog. Okay. Okay. Let's try. Then I go back to phone version and clear. And I think my network on my phone. Let's check immediately to see the result over here. The result over here is not looking bad. So this is how it works. Teachers can also be creative about this to generate some pictures, especially pictures for your textbooks and pictures on your screen. So this is an alternative to Meet Journey, and you will like this app. I'd like you to give it a try. I'm going to do more video on how to use this app, and I'll be right back. Thank you.